Yo, welcome back to the channel. I know it's been a minute since I posted a video, but in this one we're going to be doing another car stereo install, this time in my Civic. So this particular car stereo is from Power Acoustic, which is a Walmart brand because it is not sold anywhere else, at least to my knowledge and at the time of creating this video. And one of the reasons I picked this up is because in the car community, at least through what I've seen in YouTube, those who have single DIN applications, a lot of them end up getting this particular stereo. So being that my Civic is also a single DIN, I thought why not and try it. There's very few car stereos out there that you can get as a single DIN that has Apple CarPlay, which is what I was looking for. So let's get started. Alright, so in this part, you'll see me doing the wiring stuff in the sense of me connecting the main wiring harness that goes into the stereo that will be soldered onto the adapter harness that plugs into the wiring of the car. For my method, I usually like to solder. Solder takes time because you have to do each and every wire, and then you have to insulate it, so I wrap it around with black electrical tape. But yeah, I like to do this method because although it takes longer, it definitely gives it longevity and reduces any issues later down the line. But one thing I noticed when I was soldering the two harnesses together is the one that I put on originally was wrong. And the reason that it was wrong is because although it was marketed as being able to fit Civics 96 through 2000, I've come to learn that the 99 to 2000, at least to my knowledge, has a smaller wiring harness than the 96 to 98. So down below I'll be providing links on which particular ones you should buy, because I don't think Metra, the brand, specifies exactly. So I ended up using my old wiring adapter harness that was used for my old single DIN. But yeah, essentially in the description, I'll be giving you a couple links. If you're not sure which one applies to your car, there's another harness that Metro sells and other aftermarket brands that includes both fittings, if that makes sense. So that way you're at least secured that when you buy it, if you don't know which one fits, it will accommodate for either or.
Their grief. For NPR News, I'm Anya Van Wachtendonk.
Fame Major League Baseball out.
Ain't no problem. I don't got nobody just with you right now.
Sixes on that. Thinking you can see us. I'm like, hell, I'm in the diamond lane. Oh, that's when young girls go home. Big.
So as I kind of show off some of the features of this particular car stereo, I want to start with some of the good things about it. First and foremost, it's sleek, it's a single DIN, so this should fit most if not all applications of cars, but specifically if you have a 90s car, you definitely want this, as most 90s cars and older have single DIN. And especially if you want CarPlay, this is definitely something that you want to consider. And overall, the music and how it projects into the speakers and your adjustments with the volumes and whatnot is awesome. The radio feature, Bluetooth feature, and overall connectivity to the phone to make calls and be able to use a rear view camera and front camera. It has that option as well. All of these features are basically awesome and cool to have. Other than that, it doesn't really stand out too much compared to other single DINs. And so mainly the main reason you want to get this is just for the simple Apple CarPlay feature and Android Auto feature. Other than that, it does all the basic needs. Now, the main gripe that I have with this car stereo is I have an Android, and so I was expecting that this radio would have Android Auto. But here's the catch. So when this radio was released to the company and sold at Walmart, I don't think they had Android Auto in mind. And so to get Android Auto, you have to download an update from their site. And so far, I haven't been able to apply this update. I don't know if it's because of the stereo and my unit specifically, or the update and how they have people install it. And according to their directions, there's a particular USB you have to buy, there's files you have to modify. It kind of is not very user friendly when you want to update this stereo. So unless you update this stereo, you won't have Android Auto. And I've seen videos online through YouTube where a few have been able to update it, but I think that's because of a previous update. With the current update that they have on the website, I've tried multiple USBs, even tried to contact customer support, and it wasn't very helpful experience. So maybe somewhere later down the line I'll install Android Auto and be able to try that update process again. But as of now, it only works with Apple CarPlay. But at least you have Bluetooth, so if your phone is not an iPhone, you can connect through Bluetooth and still listen to music and whatnot. But yeah, that is my main gripe about it, and I thank you all for watching this video, and I hope this was somewhat entertaining. And yeah, don't forget to get the proper wiring harness if you're installing this into a Civic. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.